Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. Today I will show you how to log into Nordea Sweden mobile banking app using the bank ID method, one of the safest and fastest ways to access your bank account in Sweden. Unlock your phone and open the application. On the welcome screen, you will see two main options, login and become a customer. Login is for existing customers, whereas the another one is for new users who want to open an account. If you already have an account with Nordea, tap on login to continue. If you're new to the bank and want to join, select become customer to start the onboarding process. After tapping login, you will be presented with multiple login options. You can enter your user ID, toggle remember me if you want the app to save your credentials, or tap login with Nordea mobile app for a quicker method using your linked device. You'll also see a change method button that allows you to select a different authentication method like bank ID. And in the top right corner, there's a menu icon where you can access settings or help. Choose the login method that works best for you, whether it's using the Nordea app, bank ID, or manual credentials. Make sure your device is secure and you are connected to a private network while logging in. And that's how you log into the Nordea Sweden mobile banking app. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and comment below if you have any queries regarding the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.